Hey everyone. So as you know that on Transact, once you come, obviously you must be having your own document series. So Transact gives you a functionality to customize those series. How you can do the same? So first of all, you need to go to settings module. Now once you will come in settings module, you need to go to documents. Now after coming in document, please check here is the document number format. Please click on this. Now this is a page where you customize your series. Please check. I have already customized few. So if you want to add a new series, suppose if I want to add a new series in SO or I may say in OC, I will click on simply OC. I will just provide a name. Then after I will provide a prefix like this is an export OC. So what I will do, I will simply type EXP then slash if I want to mention some of the custom format. So click on show custom format. From here, I want financial year P1 and P2 to be copied and pasted inside. So I will copy from below P1, then I will copy the P2. I will paste it here. Now this is how your document will look like. I can also select the reset duration. It will be on financial year and I will save it. Once I will save it, the same will come in my OC and accordingly I can select it and create the document. I hope this particular functionality will be helpful to you in customizing your document series. Have a good day ahead.